their regrets in regards to you. This individual regrets not expressing how they felt towards you. There was a window for this person to emote in regards to how they truly felt, but they held back. They regret not reaching out to you. Maybe communication fell flat, fell short, or stopped abruptly. And this person regrets waiting for you to make the first move when they knew internally that they should move towards you. They held back as a way for you to prove your love and care for them. And they regret doing so because they know that it was wrong for them to act in this way towards you. Because their emotions may have felt like they completely shut down towards you without no warning. There was no argument. There was no animosity between the two of you. But they still expected you to make the first move. And they regret making you feel left out in the cold, making you feel less than. They regret isolating you or making you feel as though you were isolated. Things went from warm and jovial to cool and detached. And for some of you, this person feels like that now. They feel detached away from you. Now they know how lonely it feels because they are in your shoes. They're feeling the feelings that you felt. This person regrets making you overthink because they're overthinking now. They feel heartbroken. They don't know if you're going to come back. They regret inflicting any mental stress on you. They feel like you don't deserve it. You didn't deserve it. They see you as strong, as resilient. And they regret inflicting any type of mental anguish onto you because you got enough on your plate. And they didn't help with their behavior. They added to your stress, is what they are thinking and feeling. They regret being selfish, emotionally selfish, and acting very toxic towards you. They regret not connecting with you, not hanging out with you. They're now seeing that their behavior sabotaged their own prospects in regards to you. Because they were so focused on safeguarding their emotions, stuffing their emotions down, they're now realizing that they sacrificed their own happiness. They regret not spending enough time with you. They regret holding back, hiding themselves from you as if you did something wrong. They regret making you feel undesired. For some of you, they regret placing another person over you. They also regret placing their job over you. They regret being stagnant when they needed to break free, but they refused to. They regret not making the first move. Now, it does take two to tango, but they regret not taking the opportunity for real, true love. They regret falling in love with you because they feel like with all this love, they have nowhere to put it. They regret giving in to their lower natures over you. They regret being selfish and only thinking about themselves, only going towards what will make them happy in the moment, not thinking about how their actions would affect you. They regret it. They regret trying to challenge you, trying to see how deep your love truly was for them, causing arguments for no reason, switching on you, snapping at you abruptly, for you to then snap back and for them to say, see, I knew I made the right choice. They regret trying to aggravate you. They regret not seeing your worth. They regret not seeing how stable, intelligent, able you are. They regret not choosing you over others that appeared to be one way when they weren't. They regret not seeing the truth and being blindsided and manipulated by others, manipulated away from you. They regret not giving you a commitment. They regret not healing and coming forth towards you in an unhealed way, and you having to heal yourself because of their behavior. They regret not transforming when they needed to be a better man or woman for you. What do they want to change? They want to remove these blockages that are in their way. They have a fight within themselves. For some of you, this person does have blockages in their way that they have put off from working through. They have allowed these blockages to hinder them, and they made excuses as to why they weren't moving forward with the connection, with the relationship. They have allowed others to intervene. Third parties, friends, family members, work colleagues. They're now seeing that these individuals were part of the problem, and so were they, because they entertained these outside energies. And they want to rush forth towards you. They want to spill all of their thoughts and feelings out. They want a conversation with you. Whether or not they'll do it, everyone has free will. But they know that you are deserving of a conversation. And when this conversation comes through, it will be very intensive. This person is going to be expressing so much about things that you didn't even ask about. They're going to be telling you about some toxic trait or some type of negative situation that's occurring at work that's affecting them. They're going to be telling you about them wanting to expand with you, wanting to get away, wanting to go on holiday. They're going to be letting it known to you that they want to pick up from where you left off.